Hello, this is reference librarian Jennifer Bone at the Belleville Campus SWIC Library. In this video, we're going to find two books that'll help you with their research. You can either get physical books from the library or you can get online books. For your paper, you will need to find 5 sources to support all of the information that you find. You will need 2 books, 2 articles, and 1 other source. To find a book, all you have to do is navigate to the SWIC Library webpage. You can start by going to swic.edu. On the home page, hover over Student Services and then navigate to the word Library in the drop-down list. You'll land on the page with the student studying. Scroll down the page until you get to the blue rectangle. This is our search widget. You'll see that there's a tab for articles, books and movies, and find facts. We're going to focus on the books and movies tab. Go ahead to the search box and type in your topic. I'm going to type in Akkadian Empire and click Go. When you do this search, you are going to get a big list of resources that are available to you. You'll see that some of them are going to be physically in the library and some of them will be available online. Both of them will meet the needs for finding a book to use to support your paper. You'll see this one here, Empire, A New History of the World, is located at the Belleville Campus Library. If you click on the title, you can scroll down and get a little bit more information about this particular book, and you'll see that while Akkadian Empire is not the title of the book, that's actually okay. You can look at the description and it gives you an overview of the book, and the best part is looking at the table of contents and you'll see that there's 1 chapter dedicated to the Akkadian Empire. So that's actually a small amount that's going to be perfect for you to get a good overview of how the Akkadian Empire impacted things globally in that time period. So know that this would be a great book that you can get. There's 2 copies of it, so you can easily get it that way. If I click the X close and I go back here, if I wanted to look at any of these books that were available online, I can click on them and get access to them very easily just by clicking on the link here. And then I'll probably need to log in with my eStorm information, which would be my student ID and my password. So know that that's a quick way to look at the books online. The library catalog will write your citation for you if you locate the quotation marks that are right here. You can click on it, you can see that the MLA 7th and 8th edition are here, and you can click copy to clipboard and then you can go paste it wherever you are creating your works cited page. Now another place that you can go to get a book is going to be to Google Books. If you open up Google, you can type in Google Books and you can see this resource called Google Books. In Google Books, you just click on it, type in your topic. If I type in Peloponnesian War, I'll get some books that are coming up here. For any of these that say the word preview, I can click on the word preview and it'll give me a large preview of the book. I can search inside the book right here in this box. If I wanted to look at the chapter titles, I can look at the chapter titles here and kind of scroll through the book possibly. If I want to go back to the front, I can do that as well. And sometimes you can have the table of contents right at the beginning of the book as well. So I can see where I want to go. If I wanted to get the citation information for this book, I can click this X close, it'll close the reader, and then I can see right here there is a Create Citation button, and I can get the MLA citation and copy and paste it wherever I need to go. Sometimes this will suggest other books that are similar to it, sometimes it will suggest other books that are like it, and if there is a chapter that you ever wanted, please know that in our library catalog, we can request books from other libraries. So I can kind of look for this particular book and see if we have it. I'll open back up to our library. I will do a simple search, get rid of the Akkadian Empire. This one is The Peloponnesian War by Donald Kagan. This is a different book about the Peloponnesian War. So if that's the one that I'm looking for, I can always search by the ISBN. But please know that you can always do this drop-down tag. tab and do all iShare libraries, and that'll search 91 college and university libraries in the state of Illinois. And so what they'll try to do is try to find other books that are like this. Here it is, the author right there, and this is the Peloponnesian War. So if I wanted to get access to this, I can click on this, and then it's going to show me all of these books right here, and I can request the books if I need it. So this book looks like it's at 2 different universities. I can sign in and easily request this book just from the comfort of my laptop by clicking on iShare. Sometimes when you click on this iShare bar, it takes about 20 seconds to drop down. You'll see it's kind of thinking about it. Is it trying to get it? But please know it's just trying to verify that these books will be able to be lent. And then you can pick your location. I can say I'd like to pick it up at the Belleville Campus Library, but you can select any of the campuses and then just send request. I can see that my request was successfully placed, and since I sent my request, I can look in the top right-hand corner and look at my requests. And I can see right there that it's when the book arrives, it'll come in about 3 days, and I'll just get an email that it's available right in my student email account. Come to the library front desk with your student ID card, and we'll check it right out. Now, the last thing I want to show you is that there is a guide that will help you if you're deciding that your topic should be possibly an older religion. If you scroll down underneath the blue search widget, you will see that there is a course guide for world religions. If your topic happens to be a religion for this particular class, please know that we have them all divided up into different chapters right here. There's a gallery on the front. There's some links on the front of the page as well. But if you go into Jainism, you get a little video, and then you'll also get access to the books and where they're located, what campus, and what the call numbers are right here. Again, if you need access to some ebooks and you're struggling, please don't hesitate to reach out. Go back to the main library webpage. You can click on the Contact Us link. You can reach out via email or phone. And please know we love when you stop by the library in person, but reach out whichever way works best for you. Good luck, and we hope to hear from you soon.